Hi, my name is Vas and welcome to my channel and also welcome to another DJI Fly App application episode. And in this video I will gonna show you how you can check your battery cycle. So all you have to do is just access to internet, your LCN controller or any controllers. If you're using LCN controller, make sure you got your Android phone and your drone, any drone will do. So for this video I'm gonna use my DJI Air 2S, which is already here. So all you have to do is just switch on your drone. Now switch on your DJI LCN controller or any controller you have, as long as it's DJI. So here you go. Now we're gonna connect to my Android phone. Okay, so as you can see here, usually the DJI Fly app, it's opening automatically on my phone. So all I have to do is just give the permission to transfer files, and here you go. Now, as you can see here, as I said, the DJI Fly app opened automatically for me, and now all you need to do basically just click on them three dots and scroll down from safety. So make sure you're on safety tab. Once you're on safety tab, you can you can scroll down, and as you can see here, you have the battery info. So just click the battery info and you'll be able to see all the details you need to know about your battery. So basically, as you can see here, in my case, the cycle for this battery, for this particular battery, is 23 cycles. So I believe I still got another maybe 70 cycles. I don't know how many cycles them batteries I can use them, but I've been told it's around 100 cycles on Air 2S. Maybe on other drones the cycles a bit higher. So yes guys, as you can see here, you can see the battery cell status, basically showing you all the battery cycle count, and also showing you the serial number of the battery. And that's pretty useful information for you to know if you want to know how many cycles your battery have and you're thinking maybe to buy extra or to replace the old one, or you don't want to use the old one because it might be too dangerous for the drone, so it's not damaging the drone itself. Anyway guys, thanks a lot for watching the video. If you have any questions, do ask them below. I will try to reply back as soon as possible. Also feel free to subscribe to my channel so you're not missing any videos at all, and I will see you next episode or video. So see you.